Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find your recovery key on a Mac. All right, let's begin. This crucial code helps you unlock your encrypted drive if you ever get locked out. To locate it, open System Settings. From the sidebar, navigate to Privacy and Security, then scroll down to the FileVault section. If FileVault is off, click to turn it on, enter your password, and click Unlock to generate a key. Make sure to write this code down immediately and save it in a secure location. Once enabled, you can view the active key directly in FileVault by clicking Show and entering your administrator password. Alternatively, you can use the system's password utilities. Open Finder, search for your Mac's password settings, and locate the entry listed under your specific MacBook model. When you select your device from this list, you will see details like your chip and serial number. Simply hover your mouse over the masked text next to the recovery key label to reveal the full code. So that's basically how you can find your recovery key on a Mac. That's it for this video. Thanks.